Good day everyone. My name is Dexter Saliman. I'm now studying Diploma in Business Study Transport at University Technology Mara Sabah Branch, Kota Kinabalu campus. Today, in this presentation, I will be explain the key aspect of sea transportation. Sea transportation or maritime transport refer to the movement of passengers and goods across the ocean using ships and other vessels. It has been one of the oldest and most vital modes of transportation, and today it continues to serve as the backbone of global trade, carrying more than 80% of the world international trade by volume. Sea transport offers a wide range of key services or essential services. These include bulk shipping transporting large amount of unpackaged goods like grain or coal in one journey. Second one is container shipping, uses standardized containers FCL and LCL for efficient general cargo handling. Roll on, roll off, specialized transport for wheel cargo such as cars, trucks and construction equipment. Freight services, the core operations of loading and unloading cargo at port. Warehousing and logistics, storage and support services available at port facility. Now I'm gonna talk about the key characteristic. The characteristic of sea transport make it unique and highly valuable. One of its most significant feature is its high cargo capacity, enabling ships to carry thousands of containers or tons of bulk cargo in a single journey. Not just that, sea transportation is also cost effectiveness, and this mode of transport has the lower cost compared to air and road transport, which make it ideal for over long distances and carrying for heavy bulk and low value goods. However, it also has limitations. Sea transport is relatively slow, and delivery times are influenced by factors such as distance, weather, port congestion, and scheduling. Additionally, sea transport relies heavily on specialized port and infrastructure, including deep sea ports, container terminal, and intermodal connection. Operation can also be affected by global maritime routes, tides, and extreme weather conditions. Next, I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of sea transport. For advantages of sea transport, the first one is cost effectiveness. Sea transport is the most economical choice for heavy and bulk export. The overall cost per ton is significantly lower than air or road transport, making it the top choice for businesses on a budget. Next, high carrying capacity. Ships have the unique ability to transport thousands of containers or massive amounts of bulk goods like oil, coal, steel in a single journey voyage, surpassing any other modes of transportation. Intercontinental connectivity connect countries and continents via major shipping routes. Strategic transfer hubs act as transfer stations where cargo is efficiently loaded, unloaded, or transferred to other vessels. Next is disadvantages. The first one is slow transit time. Ships always take weeks to deliver and making it unsuitable for perishable goods or urgent shipment. Next is weather dependency. Highly vulnerable to storm, high tides and monsoons, which can disturb scheduling and can delay the delivery. Documentation delays, complex bureaucracy, and custom clearance can cause significant bottleneck at ports. pollution and marine hazard, risk of oil spills, waste discharge, and ballast water pollution affect marine ecosystem. And now, for the infrastructure and network. The effectiveness of sea transport depends greatly on its infrastructure and network. This includes deep sea ports, dry docks, container yards, cranes, and modern cargo handling equipment. Natural ways also play an important role, supporting inland connections and enabling efficient integration with global maritime system. Next is policies and regulation of Malaysia. Malaysia supports the maritime sector through several policies and regulator framework. Key authorities such as the Ministry of Transport (MOT), the Marine Department of Malaysia, and various port authorities oversee ship registration, safety, and port development. Policies such as the Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1952, the National Transport Policy 2019 and 2030, the Cabotage Policy, and Green Port Initiative help shape the sustainability, efficiency, and competitiveness of the sector. For the issues and challenges, the first one is bottlenecks and congestion. Ports like Los Angeles and Singapore face delays due to limited equipment and custom processes. Second one is operational risks. Seasonal monsoon in Southeast Asia interrupts schedule and can cause delay. Security threats. Piracy, smuggling, and cargo theft remain issues in routes like the Strait of Malacca, raising insurance costs. And the last one is inland limitation. Efficiency relies on inland logistics. Poor road, rail infrastructure cause bottleneck. And now, for stakeholders. Sea transportation also involves numerous stakeholders. Government agencies establish regulation and national strategies. Port and shipping operator manage cargo movement and terminal services. Passenger and consumer rely on sea transport for travel and goods. Environmental groups advocate for greener maritime practice, and community organizations represent the interests of coastal populations who are affected by port development and environmental impacts. And now for the case study. The case study is about Malaysian seaport industry. Malaysia's strategic location along the Strait of Malacca has made it an important hub in global maritime trade. Ports such as Port Klang and the Port of Tanjung Pelepas consistently rank among the world's busiest container ports. The growth of containerization, change in global supply chain pattern, and economic expansions across Asia, which now handles nearly 46.5% of global container traffic, and have pushed Malaysian ports to upgrade infrastructure, expand terminal, and adopt emerging technologies. While rising container volume benefit Malaysia, they also present challenges such as congestion, capacity limitation, and the need for continuous modernization.